What's up guys, it's me back here again, and today we're doing another adventure, except this time I'm meeting up with LachieMoto. Go check his channel out. The link to his channel should be in the description, if I remember. Before I went, I probably should have checked my tyre pressures, because sometimes they go a bit flat, just out of the blue. I kind of regret wearing this jersey as well. It's a tad toasty. Here they are.
Hello.
Hey.
How long have you been waiting here for?
Oh, like 5 minutes?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that's alright.
Oh yeah.
I should have flipped my plate over.
Alright, did he?
Yeah. Okay. That guy back there, he had his phone out and he's just like that. Down in there.
There's like footpaths and stuff around there, like by the road.
Yeah.
All new ones and stuff. And then it goes down like other roads around there, and it goes like all by that hill and all that, I think. Scrapers. I wonder how many rules we're breaking at the moment.
Right through that and got extremely stuck. That's deep, but yeah.
Good old Lewis, eh? I could probably get through that.
Give it a go if you want. We'll stay up here so we don't get stuck.
What, just there?
That's you.
Holy. I thought it was like gonna be like. Yeah, oh well. Thanks, man. I thought it would be like as deep as it looks.
This is what happened to Lewis on his...
Oh yeah.
How would we though? We'd have to walk, wouldn't we?
So we're trying to get to these big water or gas tanks or whatever they are. I'm actually pretty sure one of my spokes is flapping around. It's probably loose. I tightened my back spokes, but I haven't touched my front ones. Yeah. Oh.
Sorry, did I get you?
Yeah, just a tad. Yeah, all good. Look. It goes back down.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's the teacher's house. Does it? Yeah, it looks like they're headed away. Is it? Oh. It was like. Imagine. Probably not best idea, probably know that. Oh god. Oh, there goes my camera. Damn, it's warm. Jesus. It just like collapses it.
It just like collapses on us. It is. Am I recording?
Yeah, you're recording.
I can't hear you.
Imagine if like this guy like standing up there like, what are you guys doing? Exploring.
I got heaps of grip. Yeah, catch up, man. See ya.
Catch you later. We'll probably do another meetup, mate.
Yeah.
I'll catch you later.
Yeah, see ya. Anyway, guys, that was pretty fun. You know, that was probably one of the better adventures of mine, because I actually adventured rather than just putting around at home. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to LachieMoto. His channel link will be in the description. And yeah, peace out.